Hello everyone, let us now discuss this question product of the last k numbers in LeetCode today's POTD 1352. Design an algorithm that accepts a stream of integers and retrieves the product of the last k integers of the stream. And implement the product of numbers class where product of numbers initializes the object with an empty string and void add int of num appends the integer num to the string. Int get product of int k returns the product of lost k numbers in the current list. So let us take this example and understand how does this algorithm works. Now we are having add 3. That means we need to add the integer 3 into some list of numbers, right? And we have add 0. So I'm adding the 0 to the right and then add 2. So I am adding 2 and then add 5. So add 5 and then add 4. Add 4. Now I got get product of 2. So here my k value is 2. That means I need to get the product of the last two characters. So here the product of the last two characters is 20. So I'll return 20 at this stage. Now after that get product, I have another thing like get product of three numbers. So here I need to get the product of last three numbers. 5 into 2 into 4, it is like 40. So here I'll return 40 as my answer. And then I'm again asked for get product of last four numbers. Then 40 into 0 will be 0, and then I am asked to add 8 to my list of numbers. Now as I am adding 8, then I am asked for get product of 2. I need to get the product of the last two numbers. 4 into 8, which is 32. So if you see, this is quite simple question where I globally declare these numbers as vector array, integer array. Then when I got this add, I will add this number into my array. And if I want to get the get product, then I'll iterate from like k minus minus, and I will be initialized to array size or list size as I mentioned in my code. List dot size minus 1. List dot size minus will be I, and while k minus minus, that means I'm getting the product of last k values, and product will be initialized to 1, and then while k minus minus, I will be decremental, and product will be multiplied with nums sorry list of I. So this is how we solve this problem, and at last uh, after this while loop we'll be returning our product. So this is the code. If you want to get the code, it is in the link of the description. You can go and check it. And if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel. At the last, let us globally declare this list as vector int and add list.pushback number. In add function, I am adding this number into my list, and then when I get product as the function, and int k is the number of the last k numbers should be multiplied, and the product should be written. So product is initialized to 1 and I is n minus 1. That means list dot size minus 1. While k minus minus product into list of I will give me the product of last numbers till k is 0, and after that return your product. That's it.